Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to use cSploit. cSploit is a tool that you can use on Android. You have to be rooted and you have to have BusyBox installed as well. And cSploit is a penetration testing toolkit. So I've got my Android, my Nexus here. It's on it's on Marshmallow. But anyway, right. So over here we've got my the list of devices on the network. So if I just choose the Android one, my one, we've got many different options. We've got a trace route, port scanner, all these kind of things. But they're pretty self-explanatory about what they do. So I'm just going to go over the man in the middle attack ones today. So we've got a simple sniff, and you can save it to a PCAP file. And if I just start it now, you can see the bandwidth between my phone and if I start doing something. Let's search for images. Now I'm on Google Chrome, so it will probably, or we can see stuff starting here. It might go a bit funny because Google Chrome is quite good, secure, and then now it's come up with that, which is a bit annoying. But anyway. So you can perform a simple sniff. We've got a password sniffer. So if I went to a site which didn't have HTTPS, like hackforums.net, and then logged in, so if I just put in some bogus stuff, sorry about that. Right, let me put my phone to do not disturb. There you go. Right. Okay. Just put some random password and then have this. And if I click on login, we should see, there we go. If I look over here in HTTP, we can see here that the username, right there, RRFHHDD, and then that's just a number of letters, was the username and then password, and then we've got the, what's it called, the URL. And we can stop. And unfortunately, Google Chrome's quite annoying and it's still not loading, which is a bit annoying. That's the bad thing about modern browsers. Just have to hope that nobody's using Google Chrome on their phone or anything, or on their what's it called? Can't think. Laptop. I can't remember now. What am I talking about? Laptop. Anyway, next we've got DNS spoofing. So this will use a custom host file. Here. And I'm not going to, well, let's try. So let's go to okay. Right, let's do this. And then we'll go to Microsoft.com. I think it will redirect. It might once again not do anything. I'm feeling it might not do anything. For some reason it brought it up in French. That's because of this ETCAP. So if I can stop this, and then I should get it back to English, hopefully. On that. Right, okay, next we've got the session hijacker. So I start this, it will search for sessions. Let's go back to, sorry about that. Let's go back to forums again. And it does seem to be loading, and yep, there we go. Fortunately, the session hijacker does work. And basically what the second session hijacker does is it will scan for, search for sniffer cookies, and then allow you to save these sessions. So if I tap on this here, sorry, I keep forgetting. If I tap on that here, like that, as you can see, I am now essentially them for the time being. And if I was logged in, then on here, and I sniffed the session on here when they were logged in, then I would be logged in as them. And yeah, and you can also save sessions. I think go back, and then as you can see, you can save sessions for later. Alright, next what do we have? We've got kill connections. That's pretty obvious what it does, but I'll do it anyway. So if I try to go to google.co.uk, it will time out. Eventually. Might take a little while. Anyway, as you can see, it is connecting to Google. And then what you have to do is sort of tap it again, it will turn off. There we go. And see, there we go, it worked in the end. So we've got redirect. Let's do forums again. Does it say anything about? No, it doesn't. Alright. Let's. Oh, I've done the wrong thing. So you choose the address. Sorry, I was being near. So you choose the address that you want to do redirect them to. So let's do it to. Let's redirect it to. Let's put hack forums in, since that's the easiest one to spell, and it's HTTP. So now, in theory, if we try and go somewhere else, like, okay, so it began to work, and then it just says your connection isn't private, and then attackers might be trying to steal information. So it is working, it just doesn't work with Google Chrome, and I don't think we can, no, we can't even continue, so that works. We've got replace images. Replace images does work, but not on Google Chrome. I'll see if I can get it to work. And you can do images from a file locally, or from a URL. So let's choose that one. And then let's see if it works. Let's go to hack forums again. Right, so as you can see, the website's picture has been replaced with a picture of my guitar. In fact, it's just loads of the same picture over and over again. It's always quite funny. We've got replace videos. Let's see if that works. Okay, I'll have to do it. What I'll do is if you go to an HTTPS website, it does seem to just say kick you or whatever. Not kick you, you know what I mean. Deny your access for your safety. Right, let's see if I can find a picture. Sorry, video. What about, I wonder if Ted... Aha. That would be quite funny. Videos. They're not YouTube videos though, are they? That's irritating. So we're not going to... Right. Okay. I can't show this one right now, because there has to be YouTube videos embedded on the page. We've got script injection. So if I do custom code, by default it's got this one. So if I refresh the page, you can always tell something's running because it will have a little thing there. And then you can see when I've reloaded the page, a little pop-up box with this site has been hacked with cSploit has appeared. And obviously you can put whatever you want in there, whatever JavaScript you want. Next we've got custom filter. So let's find a word that's used on here. Ted. From Ted to dead. Let's just have that one. Okay. It started. Refresh the page. Oh, there it is. Dead talks. Browse the library of dead talks with speakers. So you can see this one's very useful. You can replace text on web pages, which is pretty cool. And I don't know why I found that so funny. Anyway, so there on the man in the middle text. In fact, I'm going to show you some other things because otherwise this video is about 10 minutes. Anyway, let's do a service inspector, and then I shall see if the vulnerability thing works. So as you can see, no ports or services are found. Found the OS was Linux. So let's see what happens if I do it. I'd probably say no ports. Yeah, unfortunately there aren't any ports open on my phone, so I can't show off that feature. One thing I did forget was that you can add custom, you can add a URL, hostname or IP address below, which is pretty cool. So, yeah, I think that's really it for this video, guys. I hope you found it useful. Oh, and also you can get cSploit from, I think it's from cSploit.com or something like that. Let's have a quick look. Yes, please, cSploit.org. So then you can just go and click on Get Started and then download the stable release. Or if you want to, you can download the nightly APK. And yeah, I got the latest version. Right. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you found it useful. And if you did, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Bye.